In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and merciful. Respected teacher and fellow student, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear fellow, today I have given the chance to talk on education. Number one, we all know that education is a key to change the world. Number two, education is the most powerful weapon. Number three, education plays an important role in our life. Number four, education is the need of the time to live a better life. Number five, without education we cannot become good human being. Number six, if we want a successful life and knowledge, we should get good education. Number seven, education is power and light. Number eight, education shine your personality. At last, education is confidence, education is life, education is humanity, education is candle, education is respect. So, never ignore education, get education and change the world. Wassalam.